We have so many guests that cruise with us that just love to shop.
The Royal Caribbean shopping program offers a wonderful chance to purchase a memory of your cruise. That can be in the form of a logo item, some kind of an ethnic gift from one of the countries that you're visiting, a fine piece of jewelry, for your significant other, a well-known brand watch, and everything at a great value.
We have many different types of shops to provide something for everyone at all ages.
It used to be just a few smaller brands here and there. Now we're bringing on some iconic brands that are very popular.
The gift shops have a range of product that we try and make specific to the activities that they're going to feature on board.
We have a general store in all of our ships where you can get toothpaste, razors, various sundries, just like you're going to a pharmacy.
This is one of the newest collection of Guess. This one, it's all genuine leather.
What sets us apart a lot from the rest of the industry is the personal service that they get from our crew.
The first thing I would recommend anybody do is really to talk to our port and shopping guides that are on board our ships. I mean, they are technically our shopping experts, and they're well versed in the shopping on board the ship and off the ship.
We can be up to 40% lower than United States retail prices on a lot of our products.